In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save emails to Google Sheets on desktop. This is a simple, reliable way to track messages, build a lightweight log, or organize information you need to reference later. We'll go step by step, and I'll share helpful tips so you can move quickly and keep everything consistent. First, open Gmail in your desktop browser. Any modern browser works fine. Make sure you're signed in to the right account, and use the search bar if you need to find a specific message. For easier switching, you can open Gmail in its own tab or window so you can jump between Gmail and your spreadsheet without losing your place. Next, open the email you want to save. Take a moment to look at the header of the message. You'll see the sender, the subject line, and the date and time the email arrived. If the header is collapsed, expand it so those details are clearly visible. This helps you copy exactly what you need without extra text. Now, copy the needed details like the sender, the subject, and the date. Click and drag to highlight each part, then copy it. Keyboard shortcuts can speed this up. Use Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy. Be precise with your selection so you don't grab extra line breaks or quoted text from the email body. If you care about time zones or consistency, note the date and time format you'll use and stick to it. A quick double check now prevents cleanup later. If you're tracking more context, you can also copy a short note from the email body. But the core details are the sender, subject, and date. Open Google Sheets. You can go to sheets.google.com or open a spreadsheet you already use for tracking. Keep the sheet visible alongside Gmail if possible. Having clear column headers like sender, subject, and date helps you paste in the right place and keep the sheet tidy. Paste the details into a new row. Click the first empty cell under the sender column and paste the sender. Use the Tab key to move to the next column and paste the subject, then Tab again for the date. Press Enter to finish the row. If the text looks too cramped, adjust the column width so everything is readable. Keep the order consistent for every email you log so sorting and filtering work well later. Repeat the same process for any additional emails you want to save. That's it. You've saved an email to Google Sheets quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.